Imagine spending 2 days in a 5-star hotel on Orchard Road, surrounded by traders serious about elevating their craft. This isn't theory. It's a private, immersive mastermind designed for people who want to trade with precision, clarity, and control. Across 2 transformational days, you'll learn how to identify high-probability setups, grow your account methodically, and you'll leave with a 2026 trading plan you can't wait to execute. It's intimate, it's immersive, and it's happening right here in the heart of Singapore, complete with gourmet lunches, great coffee, and even better company. Your Mastermind ticket includes a full year of my Options Academy Elevate program, 12 months of ongoing mentoring and coaching, and the complete event recording. That's over $10,000 in value, but this isn't about price, it's about access to mastery, to insight, and to a circle of traders who play the game at a higher level. If you're ready to trade with the clarity and confidence of a professional, join us for this exclusive mastermind. Seats are strictly limited, so click below and secure yours now.